Hello again from SLNC Accessible Books and Library Services. This is another episode on how to use the library's online catalog or OPAC. On this episode, we're going to cover using the catalog's browse feature. One of the nice things about being able to walk into any library is to be able to look at the shelves of books and the ability to just browse through those and other random selections, and also look at see how things are arranged in a library. The browse feature on the online catalog was created to give you a similar experience without having to be in the library directly. Now, you can't come in and browse our shelves at the library, but you can use the browse in the online catalog to kind of do the same thing. Think of it as a place to find some inspiration for what to read next, or to see what's new to the collection. A good place to go if you can't think of what to read next, or as an entry point to see more of what the catalog has to offer. Let's just go for a good browse. So to find the online catalog's browse area, you first need to go to the online catalog. Now, we are already on the library's online catalog, but a couple of ways to get there would be to do a Google search for SLNC Accessible Books, which will take you to the state library's webpage, and then you can navigate to the section for the library, and then go to the online catalog. An even easier way to get there directly to the catalog is to use the URL. Now, or website address. That is https://ncabls.klas.com. We recommend that you bookmark this page so you can get there quickly each time you use it. Now, you're on the online catalog's main search page here, as you can see. To get to the browse area of the catalog, use the navigation link or button near the top that says Browse. It's the third one in, first starting with Home, then Search, then Browse. So click on that link or select that link, and you'll be taken into the Browse page. Now, if you'll notice at the top of this list, there are links that take you to specific things. They're spelled out. These are your available browses, as the title suggests, available browses. So we have recent titles, which is just to look at the most recently added books to the collection over, say, like the last 3 to 4 months. Then videos, which are descriptive videos, either in the older collection of video cassettes or the newer collection of DVDs, descriptive DVDs and videos. Marrakesh, which are titles that are available through the Marrakesh Treaty of NLS. These are wonderful, wonderful international books, and even some English-speaking titles beyond the foreign language titles for places like the UK, Great Britain, Australia, New Zealand, etc., South Africa, parts of the world that actually speak some English. Noble, which is the library's locally recorded audio and braille collection, like Bard. It's just the Bard local collection, all the North Carolina books. And then staff picks. These are picks made by staff, titles curated by staff that they think are of interest. Now, the one thing about the browses, you're only going to see the first 5 titles in the list. To get to more titles in the list, you use this link at the bottom of any browse. We'll go down to recent titles here and go down. So at the bottom, you see these 5 titles. If you go down to the bottom here, you see this little See More link. If you click on the See More link, that is going to take you to a bigger set of results. Lots of results. Now, in this case, we have over 3,000 actually by total results, but we're showing the first 165 on this results page, so there's a lot here to choose from. And these are ordered in the most recently entered into the catalog order. So going back a step, if I wanted to do the same thing, I could do the same thing with descriptive DVDs and videos. You can just see more and see what's going on there. It's also a nice way that if you really just want to find descriptive videos, this is a place you can go do that directly without a lot of other searching. And you can just get right here. If you look, you can get right to the descriptive video collection sorted by, month and day. And if you look down the left side, you'll notice you have facets, and we'll go over that in another episode, how the facets kind of work. But you can also narrow down your searching for things like this, since descriptive DVDs and videos are a large collection, and you probably want to have some guidance to get down to just what you want. Or you can search directly by title up there. And rolling down here, Noble, all the local ones, same thing here. It's just the latest 5, and then the See More is the same thing. It takes you right to the results page to show you what's left. So off of that results page, you can order them and get more materials that way. And it's a good place to browse for more things to read, more ideas. So, in summary, next time you want to find some reading inspiration or some viewing inspiration, say in descriptive videos, come over to the library's online catalog at ncabls.klas.com and check out the Browse section. You just might find something to read and even something to watch.